Hey guys, Luck here. Today, another video for my 2007 Dodge Charger. I want to show you guys how to fix or replace your dust shield. It's a little metal rattly shield that sits behind your brakes here, your brake system. So in a second I'll show you guys a close-up what it looks like, how it's installed, and what you need to do to fix it if you don't want that rattling and scraping on the highway when all the screws get loose, which I'll show you a clip in a sec what it sounds like. But yeah, let's get started and I'll show you guys how to fix this. So the dust shield is literally this aluminum sheet metal plate that sits back here. It's mounted by 3 bolts, and as you see, they wore out. It broke right through, and that happened in all 3 spots. There's one down there too, you guys can see. And basically, once this happens, this thing is rattling, spinning around, and scraping your rotors, which is not good. And also, it's really annoying and embarrassing when you're driving. So we're gonna have to remove the rotors and the brake caliper assembly. I'm not going to show you that in this video. I have multiple videos how to remove this. I'll put a link below right now, how to do basically brake job on this car, which the first step is removing all this. Once I remove this, I will show you guys exactly what it looks like and what we can do to fix it. I'll replace. Okay, so we got our rotor and brake caliper assembly off, and now this is the shield plate I was telling you guys about. So there's 3 things you can do. You can get a new one. I'm going to put part numbers below in the description so you can look them up. They're about $30 to $50 with shipping a piece, or maybe you can find a deal on the pair. And I do have a pair, but right now I have no clue where I put them, and I need to fix this because this is really annoying. So one thing you can do is, if you go over here, this is the easiest spot to access. Cut this and just take the whole thing off, rip it off. I did that on the other side because I did order the plates, and I will replace both at some point, but I wanted to show you guys right now what it looks like. So yeah, you can just rip it off, remove it. The thing I'm gonna do is actually get some washers and try to press this down with the washers, all these exposed holes, just to hold this down for now till I'm ready to replace. Because to replace it, you need some serious power tools, because you gotta pop this whole hub off. You remove this rubber nipple here, and you basically use a power wrench and impact wrench, and pop the big lug off to remove this, because otherwise you cannot install the new one. So 10mm socket, and basically I'm just popping these bolts off. You want to clean everything up the best you can. You can see old washer that was built into it, I guess. Then I'm gonna grab a washer and also a pressure washer, just to make sure I don't lose any and hopefully this won't be too thick. So I'll do all 3 and we'll see how it looks. And there we go, guys, we're all done. All 3 bolts installed. No moving, it's solid. And this will do for now. And when the time comes, I'll do a follow-up video how to remove this and actually replace it with brand new ones. But if you don't want to deal with all of that, just cut it off right there. This is thin aluminum, and you don't have to deal with it till you're ready to replace. And no, it's not the end of the world if this is gone for a little bit. It's just a dust shield. It's protecting all here from any brake dust blowing around. Obviously it's not recommended, but if that's what you gotta do, you gotta do it. Quick peek to show the clearance. As you guys can see, no problems. Problem fixed. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Anybody has any feedback or comments on how to fix this or any other ideas, please comment below. It's always appreciated. Questions, let me know. Please subscribe, follow, like. Got lots more videos posted already and lots more comment on how to stuff for cars, homes, electronics, whatever you want to see, some reviews. So yeah, please subscribe and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Thanks for watching, guys.